Just outside Lucca, birthplace of opera composer Puccini and the Bordeaux of the olive oil world, we are blessed with one of the best oils on the planet.
It's delicious.
Each year we welcome guests to help us with the harvest and produce our sensuous and silky, freshly pressed extra virgin olive oil. We place nets under the trees, each of which is named after a composer. 3 days a week we rake, shape and prune the trees, collecting olives in crates. The rest of the week is yours. Sharing the work, we break for a typical Tuscan lunch.
Finding a good tree, laden with olives. I think getting a good method down, really satisfying, you know.
You get to actually see the olives in your own.
I think the pleasure's in the eating.
Yeah.
I've been very well fed. You sleep well at night after a day of olive picking.
In the evenings we enjoy good food and wine, all on a complimentary basis. With our 3-day batch in the crates, it's off to the frantoio, the olive press. The olives are weighed, washed, crushed, and cold pressed by huge stones. After some 40 minutes, the freshly pressed olive oil flows into our churn, and it's time to celebrate. At this point, a little English history is necessary. The 5th of November is a red-letter day in the English calendar. Bonfire Night commemorates the gunpowder plot of 1605, when Guy Fawkes attempted to blow up King and Parliament. Fawkes was caught in the act and executed. The English celebrate this Catholic plot annually with bonfires, fireworks and parties. Given the historic background of Anglo-Spanish rivalries and also our holiday-let villa in Spain, our own custom is also to celebrate with paella.
These were professional.
Yeah.
I'm from Versilia.
No, from Piromania, the normal place, yeah.
From Capanore.
Sì.
Piromania.
Sì.
Sì, è il negozio da Capanore.